But do y'all see that nice blur, that nice finish? Stop playing with her. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. But let's go ahead and get straight into this video. You don't need to buy extremely expensive makeup to look flawless. When I tell you everything affordable is not gonna break your bank, just come on. Okay, so first things first, I've already prepped my face off camera, so we're just gonna go ahead and get into everything. So everything that I'll be using in this video is by Kiss New York Professionals. So if you need the products, be sure to look down in the description box down below, and I will leave the links for everything in there, and I will also be giving you guys my shades for everything. I've been using Kiss since I got my beauty journey started like 6-7 years ago. It's been a long time, so I'm just mad excited about everything. But I will be going in with the full cover concealer. I'll be going in with 2 different shades. Now y'all know I like a bright under eye, and I've been using the heck out of the Sun Beige one, so I'm a little low on this one. But I do have Toffee. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply everything. So you know I'm an oily girl, so majority of my products will be matte products. Where's my mirror? So first thing I'm gonna put on is Toffee. This is, the shade number is 325. But I was so geeked when I saw that they needed ambassadors for Kiss on Instagram. And quite literally the application process for it was so easy. I went to the photo. They said that they were looking for people to promote the brand, be brand ambassadors. It was really easy. And I was so glad when they actually said that I had made it on there. And it was funny because some other people were actually rooting for me to be on there. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have been getting packages from like maybe like a month or 2, but I was like in a creative block. I didn't know what I wanted to do. And then I was also combating the things that was supposed to happen. And I was trying to make my own stuff happen, which I'm actually learning to stop doing that to myself. I just need to let my life be and just go with the flow of what God has planned for me, because that's my problem. I'm always trying to make something else work, and that's just not the way to go. I've slowly but surely realized that, and now I am back on my bully with makeup. And also some things that happen behind the scenes. I'm going in with the matte finish setting spray, and y'all know I normally put everything on at once, but everything dries so quickly, so I have to hurry up and blend this out. But yeah, I have been feeling like, you know, just down and out about it, and I felt like, you know, what do I have to do to get people to see me the way I see me? And it just wasn't happening. So I'm gonna blend this out. I normally blend out with a beauty blender, but today I'm feeling kind of, let me use a brush. I don't know, I might change my mind in a few. I'm learning to love me more. I'm learning to not lower my standards or my worth. But what I mean is, you know, not just my wealth worth, but I guess my overall presence and being's worth. Like, I have so much to offer and I have so much to share. I just want to feel like, you know, I'm contributing, and I know I am, but I want to contribute in a way that I'm also not feeling like I'm leaving out empty-handed. Like, I'm always giving. So the second I actually set a boundary or say, you know what, hey, I can't keep giving. And it's not that I expect anything in return. It's just, you know, you get to a point where it's like, okay, I'm giving, but I'm giving to the point where I'm about to have nothing. And I couldn't keep doing that to myself because it wasn't fair to me. And sometimes people just get mad when you do that. When you finally set a boundary like that, people, they act like they don't know how to take that. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the natural liquid finish foundation. This is in the shade Mocha. So I'm not even gonna put this directly on my face. I'm actually gonna put it on the back of my hand. And I'm only gonna use a little bit because when I tell you, like, this color is so rich, oh my gosh, it's crazy. Oh, one thing I'm gonna do, because I did not have a blush by Kiss. That's the only thing I didn't have. So I am gonna apply that off camera. So like I said, I'm only gonna go in with this little bit because this color is so rich. You don't need a lot. And I'm gonna take like this angled brush right here, and I'm going to splash it all around on the back of my hand. Y'all disregard the sound, it's my dog out back. Watch this. And I know I normally use a stick to do this, but this, when I did this the other day, it just gave me like the perfect bronze. Like, that is beautiful. And then the thing that I loved about this particular foundation, even though it's like a natural finish and like radiant type of foundation, I didn't get oily after wearing it. Like, the whole time I just felt like, you know, for this not to be a matte product, my skin loves this. I love this for me. And then I just like to take some on my forehead. Y'all know the drill. But this product is definitely lightweight. It's also full coverage, so you don't need much. Like, y'all saw that little bit that I put on the back of my hand clearly goes a long way. Now I'm gonna go in with Cappuccino. This one is more of my skin tone. And once again, we're only gonna go in with a little bit. The little pump came out of it, so that's why you see me applying it this way. I'm gonna take my foundation brush, and then we're just gonna apply her right here. And another thing about this foundation is that it does not oxidize. So the color that you see on here is the color that's gonna stay true when you put it on. So you don't have to worry about, oh, I look orange or nothing like that. And you know, that's normally like the biggest worry with most foundations, especially inexpensive ones. You have to deal with the potential of it oxidizing, but not Kiss. This one is literally perfect. Literally. And voila. I mean, like, she's giving skin already. Y'all know I love a good base routine. So the next product that I'll be using is the Pro Touch setting powder. This one is in the shade Earth. So this one was a little dark for me, but I went in and I just mixed it with like a regular translucent powder. But Pro Touch is the it powder. If you know, you know, and I mean that as an it girl OG thing, because honestly, that powder gives you like a flawless finish. Just watch. Just watch. I'm gonna take my powder puff, make sure I have a nice even coat, and watch. I'm just gonna press this in and just watch everything just blend out and then like create like this natural blur. Do you see that? So this side versus that side. And that was just one coat. This Pro Touch goes a long way. And I remember when I first started using this, I was using the white translucent one. I didn't know what I was doing. But now that I do, you can still use it. But this one right here, I like the fact that they have inclusive colors too. Like, I don't even have to use a pressed powder, which I normally use. I know I normally go over everything with a pressed powder, but I don't even have to do that. But of course, because this is a Kiss tutorial and because I have it, I'm obviously gonna use it, because why not? But do y'all see that nice blur, that nice finish? Stop playing with her. So the next thing I'm gonna go in with is the Fine Precision Brow Pencil. This one is in deep dark brown. They also had a stencil kit, but I'm gonna use that for another video, just because y'all know I like to freehand. Not trying to toot my own horn, but y'all know I like a good freehand. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm doing the fluffy brow. I've been filling the fluffy brows lately, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in the parts that I don't have and just create some definition and of course some precision. And I normally find it hard to talk while I'm doing my brows because, you know, you make facial expressions and that be the bulk of the reason why like your brows get messed up. But I'm trying to do better with that because I feel like, you know, my brows be eaten and they deserve to be in the tutorial just as much. I hate having to like cut scenes. Would y'all see that? I know she look a little thick right now, but what's wrong with looking thick? All right, so now that we got the girlies in check, we're just going to use the spoolie on the end of that and we are going to blend everything together and brush it out. I really love this pencil also too because, you know, sometimes brow pencils or brow gels or even pomades, they tend to get oily, and I'm an oily girl, as y'all know, and I'm gonna keep saying it until y'all really understand. Like, my skin, it just glistens, and people used to think, oh my gosh, you're glowing. Girl, I'm oily, stop playing with me. And that's why I love the pencil, because I didn't even have to set my brows. All I had to do was just put it on and it just gave this nice like matte finish. I'm gonna go back in with that same concealer Toffee and I'm just gonna go ahead and carve out my brows, and I'm gonna set the base for an eyeshadow look, which I'm gonna do off camera because I do not have an eyeshadow palette by Kiss. Okay, so now that we have all of that on, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put on my super length Kiss mascara. I love this mascara because I barely have any lashes, as you guys can see. But until I put this on, because it is also very dark, it's black. Like, I feel like it's like really, really black. I feel like it gives me like some type of lash. Like, a girl's not completely bald in the lash area, but it definitely adds some depth. But I also like to put on mascara before I put on my lashes, as you all know, just to set the base. So next I'm gonna go in with the Intense gel liner, and this is intense. It is like so dark, but it's so smooth, so creamy, and it applies on so easily. I'm not gonna go in heavy handed because I'm only really setting like a nice smooth base and dark base for my lashes for when I put them on. I just like to have my lashes be completely blended into my lash line. I don't like seeing when people put on lashes and you can see like the space in between their lash, like where their lash line is. Lash, 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 lash. Oh my gosh. Okay, lashes on. So the next thing that I'm gonna use, I did see these cute liners. Like, they gave me so many of them, guys. I have so many lip liners and eyeliners, it's ridiculous. They sent me so many nude ones Like this isn't even half. Like these are liners and for lips and eyes. But I think I'm gonna go in with this one. This one is lime green. Y'all know green is my favorite color, so that's the one we're gonna use today. And then I'm gonna take that pastel blue and I'm gonna put it in front of that green just so we can have a nice contrast. Like so. Like literally a whole doll. Like this is mad cute. Mad cute. So then the next thing I'm gonna go into is actually I'm gonna go back in with that mascara, and because I want some bottom lashes in this look, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna press that on there. There we go. I feel like this look is already eating. Like this, we're almost done. And another thing, so I have this mattifying powder. It's also for shine control. I don't need to put it on, as you can see, because the Pro Touch setting powder did its job, but just because I am gonna put it on, I'm gonna take a powder puff that it comes with and I'm going to tap that on there. And I'm just going to set that like where I put my foundation. Just because it still is a liquid product and we just want to make sure that it's not moving. We're gonna set that upwards like so. Like, come on now. Even if I was shiny, didn't even have a chance. Like, this is amazing. So on to the final step, we will be doing lips. So let me go ahead and clean off my lips for you guys. So believe it or not, what I use to moisturize my lips is the GlamShine lip gloss. That's what I've been using. That's why you can see it's actually supposed to be clear, but I put it on top of my makeup, so I feel like it looks really, really cute. But I'm gonna go in with their lip pencil and the shade brown, and I'm just gonna line my lip. I think I wanna go for like a pink lip today. One thing I love about this pencil too is that it's just as affordable as one of the other brand's pencils, and it's just as good. I like this one too because I feel like when I put this one on though, it lasted all day. I didn't have to worry about like too much smudging. Like I feel like once you put this one on, it stays on. Whereas sometimes other lip liners tend to smudge and move, but not this one, at least in my opinion. All right, now I'm just outlining my lips. I wasn't trying to overline them. I was really just trying to like define them. But while I was talking, I think I kind of like actually colored outside the line, but that's okay. So now I'm gonna go in with their tinted lip oil. It also contains vitamin E, so you don't have to worry about your lips being chapped afterwards, and that was nothing I loved about this. I don't really know what shade this is. Just know it's like a cute baby pink. But I still will drop everything in the comments and links down below for you guys if you guys want to purchase these items. Oh my god, it just glides on so smooth. Like, it just feels so good on my lips. Like, my lips feel like they're immediately moisturized. Isn't that freaking cute? Stop kidding. Because I'm extra, I'm gonna put a little bit more. Not that I need it. Cute. And just to make sure that everything is set and blended together, we're gonna go in one more time with the matte finish setting spray. Then I'm gonna take my foundation brush and I'm just gonna press that setting spray in. Period. But yes, I am so grateful that Kiss actually allowed me to be a brand ambassador for the company. I truly adore these products. I've been using these products since I started my beauty journey, and I promise you, I wish I would have known what I knew now then, but that's the point of growing. I feel like I've grown with this company as well too, and like to use it now and actually know what I'm doing and actually be a brand ambassador for the company, to me is like a full circle moment, because it's just like it's only something that you could dream of, and I really do appreciate this, and I really do love their products. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you would like to see more videos like this, more affordable videos, affordable finds, how to get full glam looks like these, please continue to keep watching my channel, and make sure you check out my makeup section, makeup playlist on my channel. Be sure to subscribe also, and comment down below which one was your favorite product out of all of the items that I used, or if you loved all of them, or if you just want to know anything else about the products being used. But thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.